Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies to sell step by step. Preheat oven, prepare pans, and gather ingredients before mixing to stay organized. Start with one dependable recipe and learn how to scale it while keeping texture and moisture consistent. Track costs per batch, so pricing covers ingredients, labor, and packaging. We'll cover portioning, baking times, and simple labeling tips to help your brownies sell well. We'll focus on scaling a single recipe so every batch tastes the same and sells reliably. Use a kitchen scale to keep ratios exact and avoid guessing with cups. Make small test batches when increasing quantity and record any timing or temperature changes. Note ingredient costs and waste to set accurate prices. Scaling right saves money and prevents wasted inventory from uneven results or inconsistent. Packaging and pricing are where your brownies turn into a business product people will buy. Choose containers that protect the bars, look appealing, and match your brand story. Compute the true cost per piece including labor, overhead, and packaging to avoid underpricing. Test price points with friends or at local markets and adjust based on feedback. Clear labels with ingredients and shelf life build trust and simplify sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.